Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by assembling hardware and picking the cable path. This saves rework. Lay out outdoor-rated CAT6 or coax and test the camera at the mounting location before drilling. Once done, mark the wall entry and route to the power source or PoE switch. This prevents surprises inside walls. Make sure to choose weatherproof junction boxes and use silicone at penetration points. This keeps moisture out and makes the wiring reliable for years. You now run the cable carefully. Drill a hole for the grommet and feed conduit where the cable is exposed to weather. Pull the cable slack to the recorder or PoE switch and label each end so installation is repeatable. Once the cable is in, mount the camera bracket and route the cable through the grommet. Avoid sharp bends and strain. Then secure conduit with clamps every few feet, ground coax if present, and seal the penetration to protect the run. You finish by powering the camera and verifying operation. Connect to PoE or the correct DC supply and double-check polarity and voltage. Then configure IP settings or NVR channels, sync time, and adjust focus and motion zones so you capture what matters. Once done, seal the junction box, secure cables with UV-rated ties, and label the circuit for future service. If the feed fails, first check power and cable continuity with a tester. Bad connectors or wrong polarity are the most common culprits.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.